Okay, first you get you some dry ice. Typically they keep it packed in these coolers, and it's good for apparently 72 hours before it evaporates completely. Then you need to make sure you get all the wires and all that crap out of the way. That's where you're working. So we kind of bent those out, and the lighting's horrible. So there you go. It's got the wires put out of the way, got the ECU up there out of the way. Now I'm trying to lay some dry ice down, see if this works. Okay, also they said insulate your hands since it's cold apparently. And you wear a mask. Got this full face one, got these, put them into there. That should be good. We'll see. Hopefully I won't get frostbite. So this is how mine came. Them blocks. I have to break it up a little bit since I can't cover some more surface area. And then we'll see about how long it takes for it to freeze the adhesive, and then we'll try chiseling it up. Okay, so after you let it sit for a few minutes, I don't know, maybe 10. I haven't really been counting. I've just been doing something else and then coming back to it. But I don't think it takes too long, because you can start hearing the adhesive cracking away from the surface when it gets cold enough. So get this chisel. Just like that. Whole pieces. No screwing around with the chisel or any of that stuff. It comes up really clean. Just take the wire wheel the rest of this. Or I might even just set some of that on there. Get the rest of it just to freeze it a little bit before I hit it with the wire wheel. But simple as that.